freeze when people say, "Tell me about yourself"? Not anymore.
Ever go completely blank when someone smiles and says, "Tell me about yourself"?
Oh man, every single time, my brain just hits the delete button.
Same. Hey everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben.
Welcome to the Better Pattern, where we think better, speak better, and live better. Today we're fixing one of the most awkward moments in English, that classic "tell me about yourself" question. Whether it's a job interview, networking, or even meeting someone new, this one always trips people up. Ben, why is it so hard?
Because it feels like a trap. You don't want to sound boring, but you also don't want to ramble for 10 minutes about your cat's birthday party. Most people either freeze or give their full life story from birth. Not ideal.
I've done both. Okay, so what's the smart way? Walk us through it like we're sitting in a cafe right now.
Simple three-part formula that always works. Present, past, future. Present, who you are right now and what you do. Past, one or two quick things that got you here. Keep it relevant. Future, why you're excited about this conversation or opportunity. Total, 30 to 60 seconds. Short, confident, and natural.
Love how clean that is. Can you show us a bad example first, the funny kind?
Oh yes, imagine this in a job interview. Hey, I'm Raul. I was born in 1998 in a small town. I like cricket, my mom makes amazing biryani, and last year I went to Goa with friends.
Stop! I've heard versions of that. They're like, "Please hire my entire family history."
Exactly. Now here's a strong professional version. Say you're applying for a marketing role. I'm currently a digital marketing executive at a startup where I manage social media campaigns that increased engagement by 40% last quarter. Before that, I studied marketing and did a couple of internships where I learned to create content that actually connects with people. I'm really excited about this role because your brand focuses on storytelling, something I'm passionate about.
Wow, that flows so naturally. Short, confident, and it shows why you fit. What about a casual situation, like meeting new people at an event?
Easy. Keep it lighter. Hi, I'm Priya. I work as a content writer during the day, and on weekends, I'm usually hunting for the best street food in the city. I studied English literature, which is why I love turning ideas into words. Nice to meet you. What brings you here?
See? Same formula, but relaxed and human. No one feels like they're in an interrogation.
Exactly. Pro tips to sound even more natural. Practice out loud 5 times. Not memorizing, just getting comfortable. Smile while you speak. It changes your tone completely. Tailor it every time. Same skeleton, different details. If you mess up a word, just smile and keep going. Nobody's perfect.
Quick story. Last month, I blanked so hard I said, "I'm Emma, and I breathe sometimes." But I recovered with the formula, and it actually worked.
See? Even we mess up, and that's okay. The key is they're not asking for your autobiography. They just want to know, who are you and why should I keep listening?
That's such a relief. So if you're stuck overthinking every sentence when someone says, "Tell me about yourself,"
Let's break it.
grab the present, past, future formula and practice one version today.
Think better, speak better, live better.
If this took away even a little interview anxiety, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the one thing you always want to say but never do when someone asks this question? We read every single one.
See you in the next episode. You've got this.
Take care.